out on the mojo with first mate.
Okay, I'm gonna bust your chops.
What?
Did you? You're videotaping me?
Yeah.
Did you put Vaseline on that knee?
No, mommy. Fix my seat good. New York anglers. It's gonna be a fun day today. As long as Maureen doesn't kick my butt. I mean really kick my butt. Not fishing, just pounce on me.
Oh, I tried this one.
Okay, thanks Maureen. We'll keep you in the loop, New York anglers. Bye. A shout out to Double Trouble. Wherever you are, Double Trouble, catch them up. Down the creek. First mate, we're gonna go to the first drop, right? Say hello to everyone, our friends in New York.
Hi, New York anglers!
We're going to the drop. We're going to the drop. JBay Maureen, what are you doing?
Putting my life vest on.
What, you don't trust your captain?
Not that I don't trust my captain. You should put yours on too.
Oh yeah?
Let me tell you something here. It gives you better back support. It does.
Yeah?
Your neck and everything. Yeah.
Come here, I
Come
will.
on, Joe. I'm serious. Wow.
Okay.
So he's talking about food over there?
There goes our friend C-Note. He's on the run. Head back. 20 after 1. Slow ride back. The wind just whipped up. Yeah, end of the day with half a dozen porgies, a couple of nutcracker fish, a couple small fluke that hit the clam bait, and a sea rod. One sea rod. I don't know. You got to fish for the porgies on some structure because they don't seem to be on sandy bottom yet.